If you're getting the Snapchat errors like due to repeated failed attempts or other unusual activity, your access to Snapchat is temporarily disabled. Don't panic. In this video, I'm going to break down 6 methods you can use to fix your Snapchat and get back into your account. The first and most effective method is contacting Snapchat support, because this error usually means their system temporarily locked your login for security reasons. Open your browser and go to support.snapchat.com. The link is provided in the description down below. Then select I can't access my account. Choose I see an error message when logging in and click My access is temporarily disabled. Fill in your details and send a clear explanation. You can also email support@snapchat.com. And again, the email address is in the description for easy copy and paste. When contacting Snapchat, use this message. Hello Snapchat support. My account was unexpectedly locked due to unusual activity. I believe this is a mistake. Please help me restore access to my account. Thank you. Once you've done that, let's move on to method 2, which is checking your network and disabling any VPN or proxy Snapchat blocks suspicious IP addresses. So turn off your VPN, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or restart your router to refresh your connection. After fixing your network, we move into method 3, correcting your device's date and time settings. Snapchat will reject logins if your phone time is not synced, so simply enable automatic date and time in your settings. Now let's jump into method 4, trying to log in using a browser. Open Chrome and go to accounts.snapchat.com, and the link is also in the description for you. If the browser login works but the app still fails, then the issue is with the app on your phone. From here, let's move on to method 5, clearing the Snapchat app cache or reinstalling the app on Android. Go to Settings, Apps, Snapchat, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. If nothing changes, uninstall and reinstall Snapchat to refresh all system files. Lastly, we head into method 6, simply waiting out the temporary lock. Some Snapchat locks last between 24 and 48 hours, and repeatedly trying to log in can extend that lock time, so give it some time if all other methods fail. And that's how to fix the Snapchat login error where your access is temporarily disabled. Start with the support request, then move through each method step by step.